Hello, my name is Jeff and welcome to Select Motors Ltd. Our website is selectmotors.com. This is a 2008 Audi A8 W12. The W12 is a 12-cylinder. It's all-wheel drive, all aluminum body, adjustable air ride suspension, Xenon headlights. It's a black metallic with black interior, 19-inch wheels. Has the LED taillights, parking sensors, has reverse camera, heated and cooled seats in the front. There's the backup camera. Has the deluxe headliner, leather wrapped dash and door panels. These are tweeters that pop up when you start the car. It's a Bang Olufsen optional stereo system. It was about $5,000 extra for that feature. Soft closed doors. They kind of suck themselves in like that. Huge back seat. It's like a miniature limousine. It's got full climate control in the back. Here's a factory subwoofer on the rear deck, part of that sound system package. Really nice headliner, beautiful. Entertainment screens in the back. It's keyless ignition and locking. Body's in very nice condition. Trunk lid is powered open and close. Nice leather condition with the light brown piping. This is a very rare automobile. There was only a few hundred sold in the United States, 2007, 2008, this body style. And at the time, BMW and Mercedes did not have an all-wheel drive V12 car. And this being all aluminum and all-wheel drive and a 12-cylinder engine makes it a pretty desirable exotic automobile. This car was about $130,000 when it was new. So it really represents a great value today. Really fun to drive, very luxurious and sporty, and a lot of great features on it, and it's in great shape. Give us a call. I'd love to tell you more about this vehicle. Thank you.